As an organization is evolving and changing and growing, you're able to get different topics and insight from large pharma, from mid caps, from small companies. You get different perspectives, and I really find that valuable. So I attend this conference. I've been attending it for years, and I make sure my team attends as well.
I would say it's important for my development because they have panels here that speak to what I'm currently doing in my role at my company. And just for the future, I'm studying for the CPA currently, and they have a couple CPA workshops that I noticed on the schedule that I would love to attend as well.
One of the biggest emerging trends in the life sciences accounting space is quite likely automation, Gen AI, really just thinking about using those tools and those technologies to make our lives better, more efficient, be better providers to the business so that we can spend more time doing things that add value and less time doing things that don't.
The amount of information that's available and the way that finance professionals can interpret that data and help the businesses make smarter decisions about therapeutic areas to focus on, markets to focus in, products to launch, and the ways that they can react to the incredibly fast pace of change that's happening in this industry is like we've never seen before. And it's an incredibly exciting time to be a finance professional in the life sciences sector.
What keeps getting me back is to know, like we heard today from our patient advocate, is that without having that ability to have the accountants involved, we won't get the great inventions. We won't get the great cures. We wouldn't get the great devices, right? That all happens with people in finance to really support all those efforts at the end of the day.
And that's why we do what we do, getting to hear how we're helping patients, how we're helping to better communities and, really advance the science and what we can do in finance to help that.
You got diversity of thought, you got diversity of practice, you got all the different companies here, and it's just, there's no better foundation than being here with everybody and learning and contributing and networking.
I think it's really important for us to talk to other leaders in the community and to understand what's going on in their world, so that way we can see how we can bring that back into our own lives and our own businesses. We can also help share information amongst our peers and amongst our colleagues.
See you here next year.
See you next year.
See you next year.